ओके, तो अब हम लोग न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं। कौन न्यू बुक है, न्यू टॉपिक, न्यू चैप्टर। इतने सारे अभी हैं। अब देखता हूँ कि कौन सा ओपन होगा। ओपन रैंडम बुक। एंशियंट हिस्ट्री। वैदिक इतिहास। Findings: the horse, a unique factor in Aryan culture, regarded as an indispensable trait for the Aryan culture. Term Asva, horse, in the Rig Veda and its cognates appears in Sanskrit, Avestan, Greek, Latin, and other Indo-European languages. Appeared 250 times in Rig Veda. No other animals are mentioned so frequently. हॉर्स का ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस था आर्यन पीरियड में, मतलब वैदिक एरा में। ऋग वेदा में 215 टाइम्स दिया गया है नाम। इतना किसी और एनिमल्स का नहीं दिया। काव, इवन काव वाज नॉट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट दैट टाइम। काव, गौ और काव अपीयर 176 टाइम्स. Kursava, bull, appears 170 times. Not. Pray for puja, children and pasu, cattle. They also specifically ask for horses, sometimes as many as in thousands. Tiger and rhinoceros. Tiger and rhinoceros be known to them. Mostly seen in tropical and moderate temperate climate. Absent in cold conditions of Central Asia. Does not appear in Rig Veda. ऋग वेदा में अपीयर नहीं है। ट्रॉपिकल और मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर क्लाइमेट में मिला है। एब्सेंट था कोल्ड कंडीशंस ऑफ सेंट्रल एशिया में और अपीयर नहीं हुआ है ऋग्वेदा में। द वार चैरियट, हॉर्स ड्रॉन चैरियट, हॉर्स से बंधा हुआ रथ, वेल नोन टू द वैदिक, अवेस्तान एंड होमरिक टेक्स्ट। चैरियट रेस इज इन द Vajpaya sacrifice of the later Vedic text was also a Greek practice and is fully described by Homer. Because the pit dwelling, also associated with the Aryan culture, pit dwelling, and possibly have originated in cold conditions. Prevailed in Burjaun near Srinagar in Kashmir, and also at some places in Haryana, which may be attributed into Central Asian influence in the Kashmir region. Reclamation practice is supported by the Vedic Avestan and a Homeric text, but does not seem to be features of mature Harappan culture. 5000 to 4000 BCE. Instances in Holland, Germany, Eastern Europe, Iraq and Kazakhstan in Central Asia. वहाँ पे भी था, हॉलैंड में था, जर्मनी में था, ईस्टर्न यूरोप में था, इराक में था और कजाकिस्तान में भी था, सेंट्रल एशिया में। Around 1500 BCE, practiced in both European and Asia, including the Chinese part of Eastern and Central Asia. In the Indian subcontinent, the earliest evidence, Swat Valley, 1500 BCE. Fire cult, a special trait of both the Indo-Aryan and Indo-Iranians. Animal sacrifice, important Aryan rituals, almost universal practice among pastoral tribal people. Earliest Aryans did not raise cattle for the sake of milk or dairy production. The early pastoralists were great meat eaters. बहुत मीट खाते थे। हार्डकोर नॉन वेजिटेरियन। Horse sacrifice, typical of the Indo-European, particularly of the Vedic people. The balance of horse sacrifice is found in Europe, Caucasus, and Central Asia. The practice started in the second half of the 500,000 BCE, continued in Rome, medieval Ireland, and Central Asia. Note: though two hymns are devoted to the horse sacrifice in the 10th book of the Rig Veda, the later Vedic text transformation sacrifice into Ashwamedha. Ashwamedha yag. Swastika. It was conceived of as a mark of Aryanism. Nazis adopted it as symbol of pure Aryanism. The term appears in the text of early Christian century when it had auspicious connotation in religious art. Originated in Elam much earlier than 2000 BC when it figured in the Harappan culture. By this time, it has been adopted by the Aryans. Early centuries of the Christian era, it came to be regarded a symbol of Brahmanical culture. For tribes and war, Rig Veda mentions warring tribes, warring, engaged in war. Oh, जो war में लगे पड़े रहते हैं वो हो गए warring. Inter-tribal and tribal conflict. 30 tribes and clans are mentioned. Total 30 tribes थे और clans are mentioned. पंचजना या पंचकृष्टा या पंचा मनुष्य 5 important tribes. The Yadu, दुर्वासा, पुरु, अनु, द्रयु. पुरु सर्वाइव करता है ना. हम्म, यादु, दुर्वासा, पुरु, अनु, द्रयु. ये थे 5 important tribes. कौन कौन से थे? पहला था यादु, दूसरा था दुर्वासा, तीसरा पुरु, चौथा अनु और पांचवा द्रयु. पुरु एंड भारत आर डोमिनेंट. भारत का तो नाम था नहीं. यहाँ पे यादु है, दुर्वासा है, पुरु है, अनु है, द्रयु. भारत ट्राइब. पुरु एंड भारत आर डोमिनेंट. डोमिनेंट ट्राइब भारत. किंग दिवोदासा defeated Dasa ruler Sambhara. Grandson Sudas. Puru. Puru. Tras Dasyu. Name of one important ship. दासाज. यही क्या दासा से हो रहा था भारत. Earlier Aryan waves as mentioned in Iranian culture, Iranian literature. The Sioux, original inhabitant, they worshipped Palus and did not keep cattle for dairy products. ओहो, मीट के लिए कैटल रखते थे. हार्डकोर नॉन वेजिटेरियन. नॉन इंडो आर्यंस नेम ऑफ देयर ट्राइब्स. चुमुरी, धुनी, पिपरू, संभारा. इन्हीं को क्या कहते हैं? यदि कोई दास कहते हैं ना. नॉन आर्यंस जो वार हुआ था. The Sioux Hatya, they were represent mentioned as a slaughter of the Sioux in Rig Veda. The Sioux का जो slaughter हुआ था उसको the Sioux हत्या. Not 300 non-Indo-European words in Rig Veda plus Aryan chief with non-Indo-Aryan names. Balbhuta, Birbu indicates cultural interaction as well. Tribal conflict. Rig Veda defeats inflicted by Indra on the enemies of Aryan. Cause something unpleasant or painful to be suffered by someone or something. On the enemies of Rig Veda defeats by Indra. Rig Veda defeats inflicted by Indra on the enemies of Aryan. Indra or Purandra destroyed dwelling units, that is breaker of the forts. They succeeded because chariots drawn by horse equipped with coats of mail vermin and better arms. Bharat Chief Sudas, grandson of the Vodasa, versus Confederacy of Ten Tribes. Confederacy, a union of a political organization. दसराजन वार यही था, हाँ ये नाम था दसराजन वार. Dasrasan War, Battle of Ten King, that is five Aryan including Puru and five non-Aryan. Vata Bharat Sen. Mentioned in Rig Veda Book 7. Location Purushuni River Ravi. Outcomes established the supremacy of Bharatas. Marched on the Yamuna and defeated a local king Veda. Settled along Saraswati, performed Ashwamedha Yajna. Note: Purus were earlier ally of Bharat. Also, Vasishtha replaced Vishwamitra as Bharat Purohit. Some other important facts: the name Bharatvarsha is derived from the tribe Bharata. Subsequently, Bharatas and Purus joined together and known to be Kurus. Both the tribes Kurus and Panchals will become important in the later Vedic age. Rule in the Upper Gangetic Basin, important role in the later Vedic times. Tribe and family. Kinship was on the basis of social structure. A man was identified by the clan Jana, meaning tribe, was mentioned 275 times. The people's primary loyalty was the tribe. They may not have exceeded 100 members. Janpada territory, not used once, is mentioned 170 times. Divided into grama or smaller tribal units organized to fight. Janapada, a territory not used once. Ah, is mentioned 100 times. Divided into grama or smaller tribal units organized to fight. पता तो होगा नहीं इसका मतलब उसका. Family, stated as कुला, फैमिली को कुला कहते थे. इज रेयरली मेंशन ऋग्वेदा में इसका रेयरली मेंशन किया गया है. जनपदा और जना का तो क्या कहते हैं, टेरिटरी का तो मेंशन ही नहीं है. अभी इसका 170 टाइम मेंशन है. It was comprised not only of mother, father, son, slave, etc., but many other people too. Hmm. Patriarchal society. Birth of a son was repeatedly desired, and people prayed to the gods for brave sons to fight the war. Birth of son was repeatedly desired, and people prayed to the gods for brave sons to fight the war. Women could attend assemblies and offer sacrifices along with their husbands. Tribal administration. Rajan was the tribal chief and played the role of leader in war. Later, the position of Rajan became hereditary. He possessed no unlimited power, having the recon with the tribal organization recon. He possessed no limited power, having to recon with the tribal organization. Election by tribal assembly Samiti. He was regarded as the protector of his tribe, meaning they protected their cattle, fought their wars, and offered prayer to gods on its behalf. Rajan also called as Gopaya Gopati, Lord of the Cattle. चरवाहा राजा था. Hmm. Political organization. The tribal of the or the clan-based assemblies exercise deliberative military and religious function. Vidata seems to be a more popular assembly. Both men and women participated. It was a place for settling disputes, redistribution, and performing sacrifice. Sabha was the body of the elders, mainly Brahmins and elite. It was advisory council. Political organization में क्या कहता है ट्राइबल और द clan based assemblies exercise deliberative military and religious function. विधाता seems to be more popular assembly. विधाता क्या था ज़्यादा पॉपुलर असेंबली था उस टाइम. बोथ मैन एंड वुमेन पार्टिसिपेट. वो दोनों वुमेन और मैन दोनों का पार्टिसिपेशन होता था विधाता में. इट वॉज ए प्लेस फॉर सेटलिंग डिस्प्यूट. विधाता में क्या होता था एक जगह था जहाँ पे सेटलिंग डिस्प्यूट का सेटलमेंट होता था डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता था परफॉर्मिंग sacrifice होता था. सभा was the body of the elders, mainly Brahmins and elite. It was an advisory council. सभा was the body of elders. जो सभा था विधाता सभा और समिति. सभा was the body of elders. सभा जो बॉडी था वो एक elders के लिए था. Mainly Brahmins and elite. It was advisory council. The speaker of the Sabha was known as Sabhapati and members were known as Sabhya. In later Vedic time, it was controlled by chiefs and rich nobles, and women were no longer part of it. Sabha का वहाँ पे समिति. Samiti was the folk assembly and the entire population could participate in it. The members were known as Visha, presided by Rajan. Election of the king took place. Gana was the assembly or troop. ठीक है. सभा समिति विधाता. विधाता मैन एंड वुमेन दोनों पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे जहाँ पे डिस्प्यूट सेटलमेंट होता वही सभा में वो एल्डर्स का था. उसमें मैन वुमेन का तो बात नहीं कहा गया है था ना. मैन वुमेन इट वाज कंट्रोल. हाँ वुमेन वैदिक पीरियड में था लेकिन लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में नहीं था. और समिति में सब कोई इन्वर्टेड था. यहीं पे इलेक्शन होता था राजन. किंग असिस्टेड बाय फ्यू फंक्शनरीज. पुरोहित. द वैदिक priest inspired the tribal chiefs. They they were lauded for their war efforts in return for handsome rewards in cows and women slaves. Famous Purohit. Vasishtha and Vishwamitra. Vasishtha conservative, Vishwamitra liberal. He composed the Gayatri Mantra plus three mandal plus Purohit of Sudas. Famous Purohits. Vasishtha and Vishwamitra. Vasishtha conservative and Vishwamitra was liberal. Vishwamitra composed the Gayatri Mantra plus three mandal plus Purohit of Sudas. 9 eventually. However, this mantra was made the monopoly of the three higher Varnas and the priest did not permit women and Sudras to recite it. Senani, head of the army. He used spear, axes, swords, etc. The titles do not indicate territorial administration. There was no standing army. If war gathered, militia military functions were performed by various tribal groups called Vrata, Gana, Grama, and Sardha. Senani, head of the army. He used spears, axes, swords, etc. The title do not indicate territorial administration. जो टाइटल मिला था वो टेरिटोरियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का नहीं था. There were no standing army. कोई भी standing army नहीं था. If war gathered, militia military functions were performed by various tribes. जो उनका अगर वार होता था तो एक military function किया जाता था various tribal group के साथ called Varta, Gana, Grama and Sardha. Tribal system of government in which the military element was strong. ठीक है. ट्राइबल सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट था जिसमें कि मिलिट्री एलिमेंट जो था बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था. देयर वाज नो ऑफिसर फॉर कलेक्शन ऑफ टैक्सेस. कोई भी वहाँ पे ऑफिसर नहीं था कलेक्शन ऑफ टैक्सेस. वर्जापति होल्ड्स द अथॉरिटी ओवर ए लार्ज स्ट्रेच ऑफ लैंड पेस्चर ग्राउंड. जो वर्जापति था वो होल्ड्स करता था अथॉरिटी ओवर ए लार्ज स्ट्रेच ऑफ लैंड पेस्चर ग्राउंड. ही लीड्स द हेड्स ऑफ द फैमिलीज कॉल्ड कुलेपास. He leads the heads of the families called Kulepas. और हेड ऑफ द फाइटिंग हॉर्ड्स कॉल्ड ग्रामीणीज इनटू बैटल। वो किसको लीड करता था? हेड ऑफ द फैमिली को लीड करता था, या फिर जो फाइटिंग हॉर्ड्स जो थे ग्रामीण्स थे उनको बैटल में लीड करता था। इनिशियल द ग्रामनी was just the head of a small tribal kin-based fighting until called grama. But when the unit settled, the gramani became the head of the village, and in course of times his position became the same as that of the Prajapati. Okay, जो ग्रामीणी था वो वार करता था। अगर वार जीत गया तो एक विलेज का हेड हो जाता था। जो अगर वो विलेज का हेड हो गया तो वो एक धीरे धीरे टाइम पे आके वो प्रजापति की पोजीशन के बराबर कर देता था। Economy of Rigvedic age. There was no regular taxation system. Voluntary offerings called bali to the Rajan also indicates offering to God. Presents and the spoils of war were distributed in some Vedic assemblies, as is done in kin-based communities, called as bhaga. Administration of Rigvedic age does not mention any officer for administration of justice. It was not, however, an ideal society, but one in which there was cases of theft and burglary and people stole cows. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कैसा था ऋग्वेदिक में एज में? डज नॉट मेंशन एनी ऑफिसर फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस। कोई भी जस्टिस का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं था, मतलब कोई भी ऑफिसर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए नहीं था वो। इट वॉज नॉट हाउएवर एन आइडियल सोसाइटी, एक आइडियल सोसाइटी फिर भी, लेकिन एक आइडियल सोसाइटी था, बट वन इन विच देयर वाज ए केसेस ऑफ थेफ्ट एंड बर्गलरी। ठीक है, चोरी का था, चोरी का केस था, और जिसमें क्या कहते हैं घर में घुस के चोरी या फिर कैटल को चोरी करना, उसमें से वन ऑफ द रीजन था काउस का चोरी। स्पाइस टू कीप एन आई ऑन सच एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज कॉल्ड स्पाइस। स्पाइस से लेके जो कि उस एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज में नजर रखते थे। देयर वॉज नो सिविल सिस्टम ऑफ टेरिटोरियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बिकॉज पीपल वेयर इन द थ्रोस एंड ऑफ perpetual throes, violent pangs of suffering. Continuing forward or indefinitely, uninterrupted in time and indefinitely long continuous. उसका मीनिंग तो उधर लिखा हुआ होगा, येलो है तो या those intense or violent pain and struggle, especially accompanying birth, death, and or great change, never ending or changing. There was no civil system or territorial administration because people were in thoughts of perpetual intense violence जो कि कभी ending नहीं था, expansion and migrated from one area to another. Early Vedic economy occupation was mainly pastoral relating to spare shepherds or herdsmen. Charvahai occupation was pastoral, but agriculture practice as secondary occupation. पहला चरवाहा था, दूसरा एग्रीकल्चर था। हॉर्स, गोट्स एंड शिप आर मेंशन इन ऋग्वेदा। हॉर्स, गोट और शिप का मेंशन है ऋग्वेदा में। डेरिवेशन ऑफ गौज वेर मेंशन। डेरिवेशन लिंग्विस्टिक एन एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द हिस्टोरिकल ओरिजिन ऑफ वर्ड ऑफ रेस। गौ मतलब गौ का हुआ है जो हिस्टोरिकल लैंग्वेज है, वेर मेंशन, ठीक है। गौ, गवस्थी, गवेशा, गोशु एंड काव्या वेयर द बैटल fought. There were mostly fought for cattle raids. ये जो फाइट किया गया था ये कैटल रेड्स के लिए मोस्टली फाइट किया गया था। द टर्म ऑफ वार वाज गविस्ती सर्च ऑफ फॉर काउ। दे यूज टू कंसिडर काउ एज वेल्थ। उस टाइम काउ को वेल्थ कंसिडर किया जाता था। गिफ्ट मेड टू प्रीस्ट्स, काउ एंड वुमेन स्लेव्स एंड नॉट लैंड। गिफ्ट जो मेड किया गया था प्रीस्ट को वो काउ और वुमेन स्लेव होता था, ना की जमीन। इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज रिलेटेड टू इकोनॉमी। जनास्याया गोपा ट्राइबल चीफ। जनास्या गोपा गोपा, वही हो गया गोपा। ट्राइबल चीफ, गोधुली डस्क एंड शाम गावा मॉर्निंग टाइम। डस्क, गोधुली था डस्क एंड शाम को क्या था मॉर्निंग टाइम। गव्युति एंड गो चर्मन, मेजर ऑफ डिस्टेंस। गव्युति और गो चर्मन, मेजर ऑफ डिस्टेंस। गौरी और गवाला, गौरी और गवाला बुफेलो। धुइत्री, डॉटर वन हु मिल्क काउस। गोजित, विनर ऑफ काउस, हीरो। गोमत, ऑनर ऑफ कैटल, वेल्दी पर्सन। गोपति, लॉर्ड ऑफ कैटल, इंद्रा। Important terminologies related to economy. Janasaya Gopa, tribal chief. Godhuli dusk, Samgawa morning time. Gavyoti or Gosharman, measure of distance. Gauri and or Gavala, buffalo. Dhwitri, daughter, one who milk cows. Gojit, winner of cows. Gomat, honor of the cattle. Gopati, lord of cattle. Indra, agriculture. Agriculture was either ये दे रखते हैं आगे का 10 मिनट बाद कंटिन्यूस करने दे सकता हूँ। ओके ओके, बाय बाय।